Good morning students. Today we will do the relation and function part 4th. So all of you understand the part 1, 2, 3, then you have to do the part 4th. This part 4th is also very interesting and you will enjoy this also. This is a function. We have done order pair and then we have done relation. Now we will do the function. Function is a special case of the relation. Some more restrictions we will have here, some more rules we will have that the relation follow, then only that relation is called a function. Means every function is a relation. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. So look here, we will understand this function. A relation f from a set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. This is the rule, that every element of set A has one and only one image. One and only one meaning means not less than one, not more than one. Okay, only one. A function is a relation from set A to set B such that the domain of f is A. Domain of f is what is? A. And no two distinct ordered pair of f have the same first element. If we check the order pair and we check that the two distinct order pair of f have the same first element, they will not have the same element. Okay, look here, we will take the example. Here we can check this first element. First elements are distinct. First elements are distinct, 1, 3 and 5. Means here every elements of domain has one and only one image. And second example, if we check, there the first element we have two times. This A has two images. A has two images, 1 and 2. So it is not a function. So R is not a function. It is only a relation because 1 and 2 have the same first element. Or we can check that first and second have the same element A. So it is not a function, it is only a relation. So all of you understand this relation and function. If f is a function from A to B, if f is a function from A to B, then we have this type pair, AB pair is belongs to the function, and this we can write this format also, that f A equal to B. F A equal to B. This B is called image of A under F. B is called the image. The second elements in the pair is called image. And the first element is called pre-image of B under F. Means the first element A is called the pre-image of B under F. A relation F is said to be a function if and only if every element of domain has one and only one image. So all of you understand this? So thank you. Now we will do. Look at this question number first. Let n be the set of natural number and the relation R be defined on the capital N such that the capital R is equal to the pairs xy such that y equal to 2x and xy belongs to the natural number. Okay, here you have to find the what is the domain, codomain and range of R, and is this relation is function, you have to check. Look here, place of x you will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 you can put. So place of y what you get? You will get 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot. Okay, so you will get here pair. What you get here? Pairs. Pairs you will get 1, 2, then 2, 4, 3, 6, then 4, 8. So this type pairs you will get. So here what is the domain? Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4 means natural number is the domain. So you can write here domain is the natural number. Codomain is also natural number, and range is the set of even natural number. Means range we get even natural number. Every natural number n has one and only one image. So here we can check that every elements of the domain has one and only one image. So this relation is a function. So all of you understand this. Now next one more, examine each of the following relation given below and state in each case given region whether it is a function or not. These are given in a roster form, pairs are given to you and you have to find out that it is a relation or function. Okay, so look at this. First question, here you check only the first element. First element is 2, 3, 4, means all are distinct. First elements are distinct means you can check that one and only one image it will have. So it is a this first question, since 2, 3, 4 are the element of domain R having their unique image, this relation R is a function. Now question number second, look here, we have first element 1, 2, 2 times. First element we have 2 times means these two element have double image 2 and 4. So it is not a function, it is a relation. Since the same first element 2 correspondence to two different image 2 and 4, this relation is not a function. Now question number 3. Here you can check 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7. Every elements of the domain have one and only one image. So every element has one and only one image. This relation is a function. So I think you will understand this function and relation. Okay. Now we will do some question of exercise. Which of the following relation are function? Give region if it is. Determine the domain and range. Now look at first question. First question, you check the first element 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. All we have distinct. Distinct means every element of domain has one and only one image. So look at this relation R is this is a function with domain. Domain we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. Range is what is 1. Range is 1, only one element. So it is a function. Now second question. Second question is, look here, first element you check only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. All the elements are different. Means you can write this relation R. This relation is a function. Domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 and range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look here, this is a function. Now next question. Look here, first element we have double 1, 1. It is not a function as the distinct pair 1, 3 and 1, 5 have the same first element 1 and this is one and not a one and only one image. Okay, so it is not a function, it is a relation. Now we will do question number second. Find the domain and range of the following function. So look here, this is a real functions means you can put the value of x as a real number. So fx is minus modulus x and fx is root of 9 minus x square. These two questions are very important. We will do here. First, here fx is modulus minus modulus x. Here x we will take from real number. So look here, modulus x is a modulus of x is uniquely defined non-negative real number for each x belongs to R. It is a non-negative real number means it is a positive real number. So we can write here modulus x is belongs to the R plus and if you do the negative minus, if you multiply by minus means it will belongs to R minus, means minus modulus x is equal to fx. So you can write here fx is belongs to R minus, means fx is what is, fx is range and the domain is x, means x is here real number and the domain is R minus. R minus you can write in this format also, that minus infinity to 0. Okay, here 0 will be also included. Look here all of you, question number second. Here fx is given to you root of 9 minus x square. Look here, fx is a real when root of 9 minus x square is a real. This is a real, then only this fx is real. Means root 9 minus x is a real. When we will have this is a real, when we have 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0 and 9 minus x square is greater than 0 means greater than equal to 0 means we can write 9 is greater than equal to x square, and that we can write x square is less than equal to 9, and this we can write here x is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to 3. So we can write x is belongs to the interval, the closed interval minus 3 to 3, means all the real number between minus 3 and 3, all the elements include the minus 3 and 3. Look here domain we get minus 3 and 3. Now this 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. So we have this root of 9 minus x square is also greater than equal to 0, means here fx is also greater than equal to 0. So range whatever we will get now, that we will have a greater than equal to 0. Now this y we will suppose y equal to fx, and here fx is also greater than equal to 0, so y is also greater than equal to 0 we will get. So here y is also greater than equal to 0 we will get. So y is equal to root of 9 minus x square. So y square equal to 9 minus x square. So x square will be 9 minus y square. So x will be root of 9 minus y square, and this is a real when 9 minus y square is greater than equal to 0, and by this we get 9 is greater than equal to y square. By this we get y square is less than equal to 9, and by this we get y is greater than equal to 0 but less than equal to 3. Here I not write here y is greater than equal to minus 3 because already we have that y is greater than equal to 0. So that also we will add here. So here fx is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3, means range we have 0 to 3. A closed interval 0 to 3 we have, means domain we have minus 3 to 3, a closed interval, and range also we have a closed interval 0 3. So all of you understand this? Thank you. This is a very important question. You have to do practice for this. It is a very simple question that you have done already in 9th class also. So same question we have here. A function f is defined by fx equal to 2x minus 5. You have to write down the value of f0, f7 and f3, f minus 3. So this is very simple question. Here fx is given to you 2, this is fx. Fx is given to you 2x minus 5. So f0 will be equal to 2 into 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. f7 equal to 2 into 7 minus 5 equal to 9. f minus 3 equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 11. So this is very simple. Question number 4 is the function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit and is defined by Tc equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. You have to find the T0, T28, T minus 10 and the value of C when Tc equal to 212. So first the function is Tc equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. T0 will be equal to 9 into 0 upon 5 plus 32 equal to 32 we will get. T28 will be equal to 9 into 28 upon 5 plus 32 equal to 50.4 plus 32, that will be 82.5. Now t minus 10 will be equal to 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. You will solve, you will get 14. And Tc equal to given 212. You have to find here a C. So Tce we can put as it is, this 9c upon 5 plus 32 equal to 212. So you will get 9c upon 5 equal to 212 minus 32. You will solve this, you will get here 180 and c equal to 5 upon 9 into 180. So you will cancel this 180 by 9, you get 20 into 5 is 100. So c you will get 100. So all of you understand this is very simple. Now fifth question is f(x) is 2 minus 3x. X belongs to real number and x is greater than 0. Look here, in question it is given that x belongs to R and x greater than 0, means domain is R plus, or you can write 0 to infinity you can write. Okay, a open interval 0 to infinity. So x is greater than 0. You have to multiply by 3. You will get 3x greater than 0. You multiply by 2. Both sides, so you will multiply both sides minus, means this inequality sign will change. So you get minus 3x is less than 0. 2 minus 3x is less than 2. So fx is less than 2. So range is less than 2, means range is minus infinity to 2. It is a open interval. Look here, this fx is x square plus 2. X is a real number. Here x is belongs to real number and x square will be belongs to r plus, because x square is greater than equal to 0. So x square you can write greater than equal to 0, and add 2 on both sides, we get x square plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, means x square plus 2 is what is fx. Fx is greater than equal to 2, means your range is greater than equal to 2, means range you can write a open interval 2 to infinity and close. Okay, so 2 to infinity, all the real numbers you will take here. This is the range. So all of you understand this. Thank you and have a nice day.